the MagSafe leather case for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Today we're unboxing Saddle Brown, Baltic Blue, and Black. They're $59 at Apple and also comes in red and California Poppy. After unboxing and showing some close-ups, I'll be showing you how it looks on each color of the iPhone Pros, so it gives you an idea of how it could look with your phone. Give it a like if it helps and subscribe for more. Let's open them. First up is Saddle Brown. Accurate to their usual Saddle Brown, it's known to have a dark patina effect over time. The more you use it, the more your natural oils help to gradually turn it into a dark brown, just like Louis Vuitton bags. Some love it, some hate it, so consider that. Its natural leather grains look real nice. It looks great with a silver iPhone. Works naturally with graphite or black. But I'm not liking it with blue. Gold, which naturally looks like white on camera, has a warm tone that matches it nicely. The Baltic Blue leather case. This one is my favorite color of the three. It's not too dark and not too light, with a tint of green, but mostly blue. All the leather cases have a smoothness that reminds me of car leather. I predict over time it'll provide a slightly better grip. Do note that nicks and scratches show more with leather cases. That's just how leather is, but it's worth it if you like that luxurious look. Here's how it looks with a silver, graphite, it's perfect with blue, and looks good with gold. It looks great with all of them, so you can't go wrong with any color iPhone. The black leather case. This is a dark color you can never go wrong with. It looks real sleek, especially with a graphite or black iPhone, which you'll see on one soon. It's a great default case because it's a neutral color. Apple warns in the paperwork that the MagSafe accessories will leave slight imprints. This means you might see a little bit of that circle from the magnets over time. Just like before, the buttons are in a stainless steel and has a slightly off color to distinguish it. All these details provide for a premium feel and look I love. It has a nice contrast with silver. Perfectly made for graphite. It looks decent with blue, just not my preferred mix. Gold works on it too. It's black, so I'm not surprised that it works for all of them. In conclusion, I'm happy to give these as early holiday gifts for I can't say who yet, and getting another Baltic Blue for myself. I realize I like the leather cases way better than the silicone. The MagSafe technology is worth the price bump. I'm just hoping that imprint will actually look good on it. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. For those wondering, I am doing an iOS 14.2 speed test for 11 Pro next. Then, posting the braided solo loop review for Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.